Introducing RVM, how to install it, why RVM, and how to use it. So RVM stand for Ruby version manager. Name itself clear. It will handle multiple Ruby versions. When you have a multiple project this in one system same time, and you are working simultaneously on the both project and require different Ruby version in the both of them, then it's a very common function RVM you should use and manage your Ruby version very easily, and it's very easy to install any Ruby version with the help of the RVM. It is command line tool that allow you to install multiple Ruby versions, switch between different versions easily, manage gemset for the project isolation. You don't require to do bundle install every time when you switch between the Ruby versions. So that is the gemset. And why use RVM? Different project may require different Ruby version, as I told you. Help avoid conflict between gems and the Ruby version. Provide gemset for project specific dependency. Makes upgrading Ruby easily without breaking apps. That is the most important thing. How to install RVM? So I will tell you in the very easy steps. So just search on the Google RVM install, and you will be see like the first very first website, RVM rvm.io RVM install. So the first step is to import this GPG key. Let me show you. I already done that to save your time. So like, this is the first command I run, and it is imported very easily. And scroll down for Ubuntu. It's say like, if you just want to install the RVM, you can run this command with the installation RVM, and want to install the Ruby version also, the stable Ruby version also, with the one command only you can run this command. I prefer this command because I need the uh, customized Ruby version. So this I run with this command only, the RVM installed. So I run the command RVM list. With this with the help of RVM list, I will get all the installed Ruby version, like all the rubies with this command. So here what it's a, no RVM rubies installed at the RVM help to install. Okay, so till now I haven't installed any RVM, any Ruby version with the RVM. So this two command you have manually run to install it. And if you found like if the command is say like it's not found, RVM not found, or there is a no RVM, so you can just do one, where is RVM, where is RVM, where is RVM, yeah, this is RVM, and run one command source, and restart the source with this command. Correct command is this, yeah. And restart your terminal, close this terminal and reopen it. You will be see when you run the RVM list, you will see like I already installed one Ruby version. With the help of how to install Ruby version, you can see here, like I see it RVM view. So it's like a Ruby 3.1 not found in the milk dairy project. And when I run RVM install Ruby 3.1.3, it's installed, and I can see RVM list down the Ruby version. Let me switch the project, change directory, work, and there is project. Here I am using different Ruby version 3.4.5. So RVM sharing like you don't have that Ruby 3.4.5. So for installing that, I can just simply run RVM ins- install Ruby 3.4.5, and it will install the Ruby, and one more Ruby will be appear. The equals to means I am on the this version, and the star means the default version. Here it's mentioned. So now it's installing Ruby 3.4.5. And for the better experience, I recommend you to go to the your preference and go to the unnamed command and enable this run command as the login cell. Enable it and close it. So that will be help you to have the RVM on the every prompt, every terminal. So that's how you can use and install the RVM. Thanks for watching.